onto your hats, folks! Jurassic World Chaos Theory has arrived at McDonald's. The all-new Jurassic World Happy Meal is here, bringing a thrilling blend of adventure, nostalgia, and McDonald's magic. Inspired by the legendary Chaos Theory, this limited edition meal is proof that just like life, fun finds a way. Will you unbox a mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex? Or will you encounter a creature even more elusive? Inside, you'll discover not only your McDonald's favorites, but also a collectible Jurassic World Chaos Theory toy, straight from the world of dinosaurs. With every meal, a new surprise awaits. Get ready for a bite of chaos and let the Jurassic fun begin. But hurry! These exclusive Happy Meals won't last forever. Grab yours before they go extinct. Geek out with us. Stay inspired by the beauty of life. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share the journey with us.